Small apartments are no longer viewed as compromises. In many ways, they have become some of the most sophisticated and emotionally intelligent spaces in modern interior design. What makes this shift so interesting is that luxury today is being defined less by square footage and more by atmosphere, comfort, intentionality, and visual calm. That is exactly why elevated compact living has become such powerful design movement. And on QSTube, more people are connecting with this idea because they are realizing that a smaller home can actually feel warmer, richer, and far more refined than a larger space filled with unnecessary things. The secret behind luxury small apartment design begins with restraint. High-end interiors understand that visual balance matters more in compact spaces because every detail becomes noticeable. In a smaller apartment, clutter feels heavier, oversized furniture feels overwhelming, and poor lighting immediately changes the emotional energy of the room. But when the layout feels intentional, the apartment begins to feel expensive in a very quiet and sophisticated way. One of the most transformative elements in compact luxury living is lighting. A single harsh ceiling light can flatten an entire apartment and remove emotional depth almost instantly. Elevated interiors use layered lighting instead. Warm wall sconces, hidden LED strips, soft table lamps, under cabinet lighting, and diffused natural daylight all work together to create atmosphere. Luxury apartments often feel calm at night because the lighting feels soft, cinematic, and emotionally comforting rather than bright and aggressive. Furniture selection also changes everything in small spaces. Many homeowners make the mistake of choosing bulky furniture that visually consumes the room. Luxury compact apartments usually feature lower profile sofas, floating furniture, rounded edges, and pieces with cleaner silhouettes. Furniture with exposed legs allows more visible floor space, which immediately makes rooms feel larger and lighter. In elevated apartment design, proportion matters more than quantity. Storage is another defining feature of elevated compact living. Beautiful apartments lose their sophistication very quickly when visual clutter takes over. That is why modern luxury interiors hide functionality behind seamless architecture. Floor-to-ceiling cabinetry creates cleaner lines and maximizes vertical space. Built-in wardrobes feel calmer and more refined than multiple freestanding pieces competing for attention. Hidden storage inside beds, benches, and media walls helps maintain openness while supporting real everyday living. Color palette selection becomes incredibly important in small apartments because strong visual contrast can make spaces feel fragmented. Warm neutrals often create the most luxurious atmosphere. Soft beige, creamy white, muted taupe, walnut brown, charcoal accents, and earthy textures allow the apartment to feel cohesive and emotionally balanced. Instead of relying on loud decoration, luxury interiors create richness through layering. Linen curtains, textured walls, natural wood, stone finishes, Baukel upholstery, and warm lighting all work together to create depth without overwhelming the room. Another major shift happening in modern apartment design is the relationship between luxury and comfort. Older luxury interiors often focused heavily on perfection and formality. Today, elevated living feels softer and more personal. People want homes that feel calming after long, stressful days. They want apartments that feel beautiful, but still deeply livable. That emotional comfort is becoming one of the strongest indicators of modern luxury. Even kitchens in compact apartments have evolved dramatically. Luxury apartment kitchens now blend seamlessly into living spaces, using integrated appliances, continuous materials, soft ambient lighting, and cleaner cabinetry lines. Open layouts feel larger because the eye moves naturally throughout the apartment without interruption. In many high-end compact interiors, the kitchen becomes part of the architectural atmosphere rather than a separate functional zone. Natural light also plays an enormous role in elevated compact living. Apartments with excellent daylight instantly feel more luxurious because light changes how textures, colors, and proportions are perceived. Sheer curtains, oversized mirrors, reflective surfaces, and warm-toned materials help maximize brightness while maintaining softness. A small apartment filled with natural light can often feel far more upscale than a much larger dark space. One of the reasons luxury compact apartments feel emotionally satisfying is because they encourage intentional living. Every object matters more. Every corner serves a purpose. Instead of filling rooms endlessly, elevated interiors focus on creating emotional clarity. That is why the most memorable apartments are often the calmest ones. They know where to simplify, they know where to add warmth, they understand how atmosphere shapes mood. Plants also contribute enormously to compact luxury interiors. Organic greenery softens architecture and introduces life into modern spaces filled with stone, wood, and textured materials. A single sculptural indoor plant near a window can completely transform the energy of an apartment. Luxury often comes from balance between clean modern design and natural softness. Perhaps the most important thing about elevated compact living is that it changes how people think about home entirely. A well-designed small apartment proves that luxury is not always about having more space. Sometimes it is about making space feel more intentional, more peaceful, and more emotionally restorative. That emotional connection is what truly separates beautiful interiors from ordinary ones. And honestly, this is why compact apartment design continues to inspire so many homeowners around the world right now. People are searching for spaces that feel realistic, sophisticated, warm, and visually calming without losing functionality. They want homes that support everyday life while still feeling cinematic and aspirational. If you enjoy exploring luxury apartment interiors, modern home decor ideas, warm minimalist spaces, and elevated living inspiration like this, make sure to stay connected with QS2 because there are many more immersive design conversations ahead. And before you leave, share your own opinion in the comments. What matters most to you in a luxury apartment? Is it lighting, hidden storage, custom furniture, calming color palettes, textured walls, or overall atmosphere? It is always fascinating to see how differently people define comfort and beauty inside their homes. And if this video gave you fresh inspiration for your own apartment, even in the smallest way, take a moment to like the video and subscribe to QS2 for more cinematic interior design inspiration, luxury home styling ideas, and practical modern decor concepts designed to make everyday spaces feel extraordinary. Until next time, keep creating homes that feel calm, intentional, and beautifully personal.